Leader.
May we now proceed with the trial? May we ask the Secretary to call the impeachment case?
The Secretary may now please call the impeachment case.
Case number 002-2011 in the matter of impeachment trial of Honorable Chief Justice Renato C. Corona.
I would like to warn everybody that this court has been quite lenient in the handling of this proceeding, but henceforth, the chair announces that we will apply the full force of the powers of this court to maintain order and discipline in the conduct of this trial. So ordered.
Thank you.
Majority Floor Leader.
Yes, thank you. Mr. President, before I move to recognize a member of the prosecution, may I ask that they make their appearances or enter their appearances first, prosecution, and then the defense.
Appearances for the prosecution.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the House of Representatives prosecution panel, same appearances, Your Honor.
The appearance of the prosecution is noted. The defense.
For the defense, Your Honor, the same appearance.
Thank you,
For
Mr.
the
President.
defense, noted. Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. May we recognize a member of the prosecution panel, Congressman Rudy Fariñas.
The gentleman from Ilocos Norte has the floor.
Salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo. Unang-una po, humihingi po ako ng paumanhin kung yung estilo po ng aking pakipagpapalit ng kuro-kuro po kahapon ay hindi po maganda ang dating sa iba po. Pero sinasabi ko po na ako po'y lubos na gumagalang sa mga Pangulo ng Senado at saka sa mga miyembro po, mga kagalang-galang na senador. Alam naman po ninyo sa aking pakikitungo sa inyo, dati-dati na po, Ginoong Pangulo, ang tawag ko po sa inyo, Sir, at buong respeto naman po binibigay ko. Kahapon po, may nabanggit po ako dito at lilinawin ko po, ito po yung records ng minutes mismo. Ang sabi po dito, sabi ng presiding officer, pero may parusa dito, di ba? Sagot ko po, ang parusa lamang po sa impeachment, pangkatanggal lang po sa trabaho. Presiding officer, tama. Pero iyon ay hindi ba parusa yon? Di ba ho? Sagot ko po, yes sir. Pero kung sinabi rin po ng 16 dito na tanggal ang senador, tanggal na po sa pagka-senador. Maski po si kagalang-galang Bong Revilla na hinalal ng 20 milyon na mamboboto. Pag sinabi po ng 2/3 dito, tanggal kang senador dahil ang gulo-gulo mo dito, halimbawa, tanggal po siya sa trabaho. Hindi po siya pwedeng umangal na, ay bakit ganon ang due process. Ang puntos ko lamang po doon ay sinasabi ko po na tayo po na public officers, maski Pangulo po ng bansa, pag sinabi po ng 16 po dito at na-impeach po ng 1/3 ng House at hinatulan po ng kagalang-galang na Senado, maski Pangulo po ng bansa o pangalawang Pangulo po ng bansa, tanggal po yan. Maski po Chief Justice dahil ganun po. Kagalang-galang Bong Revilla, alam naman po ninyo ang pagrespeto ko po sa inyo. Pinakita ko lamang po yun na maski, halimbawa si Chis Escudero, Honorable Chis Escudero sa susunod na election, mag-number 1 din po siya katulad nyo. Maski ilang milyon po yung bumoto sa kanya, pag sinabi po ng dalawa, bawat tatlo na miyembro po dito because isa lamang po ang dahilan na pwede po tayong tanggalin ng ating Kamara. Disorderly behavior lamang po. Yung medyo kulang po kasi, ano po ang Tagalog lang disorderly behavior? Parang ang nadukot ko na po Tagalog, yung ang gulo-gulo, magulo. Hindi ba? Disorderly behavior, magulo. Yun lamang po ang ibig kong sabihin, Ginoong Pangulo. At kung yun po ay iba ang dating o pagka-intindi ng iba, ako po ay humihingi ng patawad at paumanhin, pero malayo po sa aking intensyon na babanggitin ko na magulo, ng sino man po dito. Wala po yon.
We note
Mr. President?
the statement of the honorable gentleman from the House. The gentleman from Cavite has the floor.
Well, Mr. President, nasaktan lang ako doon sa point na sinabi niya na ang gulo-gulo. Baka maguluhan din ang taong bayan na isipin nila na Senator Bong Revilla ay nanggugulo sa Senado. Mr. Congressman, matagal nating iniingatan yung pangalan natin. Tagal nating binuo yan. Kailangan maging maingat tayo sa mga salitang bibitawan natin. I do respect you. You're a friend of my dad. Pero igalang nyo ang bawat isa sa amin dito.
Opo, katulad nga po ng sinabi ko po, ang taas-taas po ng paggalang ko sa inyong lahat po. Kaya maliwanag po, hindi
Apology
nga...
accepted.
Salamat po.
All right. Let us end this discussion. Let's proceed with the case.
Yes, with that, Mr. President, I move to dispense with the reading of the Journal of February 7, 2012 of the Senate sitting as an impeachment court and consider the same as approved.
Any objection? The chair hears none. The journal is approved.
Mr. President,
Majority Floor Leader.
there was a motion for consideration filed by Senator Defensor Santiago in a letter yesterday, which we took up into caucus. May I be allowed to read the resolution of the court after the decision was made this afternoon, or this
Proceed.
noon? This resolves the motion for reconsideration filed on 7 February 2012 by Senator Judge Miriam Defensor Santiago on 6 February 2012 resolution of this impeachment court granting the prosecution's request for subpoena to the responsible officers of the Philippine Savings Bank, PS Bank, and the Bank of the Philippine Islands, but subject to specific limits. At today's caucus, Senator Judge Vicente Soto III moved to adopt the motion for reconsideration made by Senator Defensor Santiago. In view of the contrary view on the ruling of the impeachment court expressed by Senator Judge through a motion for reconsideration, a vote to consider the motion is necessary. After deliberating on the issue, the majority resolved not to consider the motion for reconsideration. For the information of the court, Mr. President.
Any comment from the members of the court? None? Let's proceed with the trial. The prosecution is still presenting its evidence. You may proceed.
If Your Honor, please.
The defense counsel?
Yesterday, Your Honor, I request permission from this honorable court to allow me to conduct my cross-examination of the witness on this stand, Mr. Anduisa, Your Honor. We are now ready, Your Honor, to
Well-
cross-examine Mr. Anduisa.
Mr. President.
Precisely. Let the witness who is supposed to be under cross-examination today be brought to the chamber. Take the witness stand to
Mr.
be
President.
cross-examined.
Mr. President, before we proceed,
The majority floor leader.
yes, before we proceed with the cross-examination, Mr. President, for the information also of the court, we have an urgent petition for certiorari and prohibition with prayer for immediate issuance of temporary restraining order and writ of preliminary injunction by Chief Justice Corona, and in receipt also of a petition for certiorari and prohibition under Rule 65 of the 1997 Rules of Procedure with application for TRO and a writ of preliminary injunction by the Philippine Savings Bank and Pascual M. Garcia III, and also motion to defer action on subpoena of banks and motion to stop reception of evidence. Mr. President, with the permission of the chamber, I move that the body go into caucus immediately to resolve these issues before we go into the cross-examination proper of the trial, Mr. President. I so move.
What's the pleasure of the court? No objection. with due respect to you, the distinguished head of the Defense Council, will you allow us to go into a caucus first before you proceed with your cross-examination so that we can discuss these new matters that were brought to our attention just a while ago so that we can deal with them accordingly?
Yes, Your Honor. Very willingly.
Thank you.